Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. It's been more than a month that I have not been making videos or recording anything. I was so busy. As you know, in my videos I have been using foam brush or regular brush to refinish all of my furnitures. And today I'm going to use this paint gun, electric paint gun, to refinish those chairs that I got it from Facebook. I just paid $5 per chair. I'm going to just paint it and match it with a table and try to make some money with that. Let's go ahead and start using this paint gun. First, I'm going to prepare my paint. I will be using oil-based white paint. Since it's a little bit thick, I'm going to use a thinner to thin a little bit, then make it ready for this gun. And I will show you, I will demonstrate how to paint, how to use paint gun. Let's get started.